Why isn't everyone talking about these powerhouse fruits for detoxing? Let's break it down. Detoxing is a crucial part of maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and what better way to do it than with some delicious fruits? Today we're diving deep into 3 amazing fruits that can help cleanse your kidneys and boost your overall health. These fruits are not only tasty but also packed with nutrients that can make a significant difference in your body's detoxification process. So, let's get started and discover the wonders of these natural detoxifiers. First up, we've got the superstar watermelon. Watermelon is not just a summer favorite, it's a powerhouse when it comes to detoxing your kidneys. This juicy fruit is made up of about 92% water, which means it's incredibly hydrating. Hydration is key to flushing out toxins from your body, and watermelon does this job perfectly. But that's not all. Watermelon is also rich in vitamins A, B6, and C, as well as antioxidants like lycopene and amino acids. These nutrients work together to support kidney function and overall health. Imagine biting into a slice of watermelon on a hot day. Not only is it refreshing, but it's also doing wonders for your kidneys. Packed with water and antioxidants, it helps flush out those toxins in no time. Plus, it's super refreshing. The high water content in watermelon acts as a natural diuretic, which means it helps increase urine production, aiding in the removal of waste and toxins from your body. The antioxidants, particularly lycopene, help combat free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. This can prevent kidney damage and improve their overall function. So, the next time you enjoy a slice of watermelon, remember that you're not just satisfying your taste buds, but also giving your kidneys a much-needed detox boost. Next, say hello to lemons. Lemons are another fantastic fruit for kidney detox. These bright yellow citrus fruits are not only visually appealing, but also packed with health benefits. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. They also contain citric acid, which can help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and pH, creating a less favorable environment for stone formation. Adding lemons to your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support your kidney health. These citrus wonders are great for your kidneys. The citric acid in lemons helps break down and prevent the formation of kidney stones, which can be incredibly painful and harmful to your kidneys. By increasing the citrate levels in your urine, lemons help dissolve small stones and prevent new ones from forming. Additionally, the high vitamin C content boosts your immune system, helping your body fight off infections and inflammation that can affect your kidneys. So, incorporating lemons into your daily routine can have a significant positive impact on your kidney health. Just squeeze some lemon juice into your water and sip it first thing in the morning. Easy peasy. Starting your day with a glass of lemon water is a simple yet powerful habit. Not only does it help with hydration, but it also kickstarts your metabolism and aids in digestion. The citric acid in lemon juice helps stimulate the production of digestive juices, promoting better digestion and nutrient absorption. This can help your body eliminate waste more efficiently, reducing the burden on your kidneys. Plus, the refreshing taste of lemon water can be a great way to wake up your senses and start your day on a positive note. And finally, the mighty blueberries. Blueberries are small but mighty when it comes to detoxing your kidneys. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health and well-being. Blueberries are particularly rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that gives them their vibrant blue color. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and support kidney function. Incorporating blueberries into your diet can be a delicious way to boost your kidney health. They're small but mighty, bursting with antioxidants that support kidney health. The antioxidants in blueberries help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. This can prevent kidney damage and improve their overall function. Blueberries are also a good source of fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and support digestive health. By promoting healthy digestion, blueberries can help your body eliminate waste more efficiently, reducing the burden on your kidneys. So, don't underestimate the power of these tiny berries. They can make a big difference in your kidney health. Toss them into your yogurt or oatmeal, and you're good to go. Adding blueberries to your breakfast is a simple and delicious way to start your day with a kidney-boosting meal. Whether you mix them into your yogurt, sprinkle them on your oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie, blueberries can add a burst of flavor and nutrition to your morning routine. The natural sweetness of blueberries can also help satisfy your sweet tooth without the need for added sugars, making them a healthy choice for your kidneys and overall health. So there you have it. Incorporating these 3 fruits into your diet can be a game changer for your kidney health. Watermelon, lemons, and blueberries are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support detoxification and overall well-being. By making these fruits a regular part of your diet, you can help your kidneys function more efficiently and reduce the risk of kidney-related issues. Plus, these fruits are versatile and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, making it easy to include them in your daily meals. Watermelon, lemons, and blueberries. Your new breakfast BFFs for a clean and refreshed start. Imagine starting your day with a colorful and nutritious breakfast that not only tastes great but also supports your kidney health. A fruit platter with watermelon, lemons, and blueberries can be a refreshing and satisfying way to begin your morning. You can also get creative and incorporate these fruits into smoothies, salads, or even desserts. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits for your kidneys are undeniable. Give them a try and feel the difference. By making these fruits a regular part of your diet, you can experience the positive effects on your kidney health and overall well-being. You'll feel more energized, refreshed, and ready to take on the day. Plus, enjoying these delicious fruits can be a delightful way to treat yourself while also taking care of your body. So, why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more detox tips. Catch you next time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. We're here to help you live your best life, one healthy habit at a time. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.